Chapter 5. TurboTax AI, Conquering Taxes with Confidence. Let's face it, taxes can be a major headache. But what if I told you there's a way to make tax time less painful and even potentially put more money back in your pocket? That's where TurboTax AI comes in. TurboTax has been a leader in the tax software industry for years, but with the introduction of its AI-powered features, it's taken tax preparation to a whole new level. TurboTax AI uses advanced technology to simplify the often dreaded process of filing your taxes, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. One of the most impressive features of TurboTax AI is its ability to scan your financial information and automatically identify every possible deduction and credit you're eligible for. It's like having a personal tax expert combing through your finances to make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. TurboTax AI goes beyond just basic deductions and credits. It can even detect patterns in your financial life to suggest tax strategies that you might not have even known about. For example, if you're self-employed, TurboTax AI can help you maximize your deductions for business expenses, potentially lowering your tax bill significantly. TurboTax AI learns from your previous filings and continues to refine its suggestions year after year, making your tax experience even smoother and more personalized over time. With TurboTax AI, you can say goodbye to the stress and anxiety of tax season.